In Zen practice, koan study is a cornerstone of spiritual development. A koan is a paradoxical statement or question designed to disrupt conventional thought patterns and provoke deeper insights into the nature of reality. By engaging with koans, practitioners are encouraged to transcend logical reasoning and embrace a more intuitive form of understanding. This practice helps reveal the profound mysteries of existence and fosters spiritual growth by challenging preconceived notions and expanding one's grasp of Zen teachings. Koan practice involves focusing intensely on a koan during meditation. The objective is not to find a conventional answer, but to break free from habitual thought patterns and engage in a more intuitive mode of comprehension. This approach can be unsettling, as it forces practitioners to abandon their usual frameworks of understanding and confront the unknown. However, this process often leads to a significant breakthrough, a sudden insight or opening of the mind that brings a deeper awareness of the self and existence. Through koan practice, practitioners experience a shift from linear, logical thinking to a more expansive awareness. This shift is crucial for spiritual growth, as it helps free the mind from overthinking and habitual reasoning. The resulting mental clarity and resilience enable individuals to handle complex problems and stressful situations with a fresh perspective. Ultimately, koan practice is a transformative journey that fosters a profound intuitive understanding of life, beyond mere conceptual knowledge. Tip 1. Explore the Zen tea ceremony. The Zen tea ceremony, known as Chanoyu or Chado, is a deeply meditative practice that embodies mindfulness through the deliberate act of preparing and drinking tea. This ritual transcends the simple act of tea consumption, focusing on principles of purity, harmony, respect, and tranquility. Every movement in the tea ceremony is performed with meticulous attention, from cleansing the utensils to the precise preparation of matcha tea. The tea ceremony begins with the purification of utensils, symbolizing the purification of the heart and mind of both the host and the guests. The tea used is matcha, a powdered green tea known for its vibrant color and health benefits. Participants sit on tatami mats in a room designed to enhance a connection with nature and simplicity. The room is often adorned with seasonal flowers and a hanging scroll, setting a tone of aesthetic and philosophical reflection. Each aspect of the tea ceremony is intentional, from the warming of the bowls to the whisking of the tea. This deliberate practice encourages participants to be fully present in the moment, engaging all their senses. The repetitive actions involved, such as the preparation and consumption of tea, help focus the mind and achieve a meditative state. This mindfulness practice is similar to the repetition of a mantra or focus on breathing in other forms of meditation. The concept of ichigo ichi, meaning one time, one meeting, highlights the uniqueness of each tea ceremony. This phrase reflects the idea that each tea meeting is a unique experience that will never be replicated in the same way again. By embracing this concept, participants cultivate a deeper appreciation for the present moment and enhance their overall mindfulness. In summary, the Zen tea ceremony is not just a cultural tradition, but a profound meditation practice that fosters mindfulness, appreciation for nature, and a deeper connection with oneself and others. Through its deliberate and graceful practices, it helps calm the mind, focus thoughts, and cultivate a heightened awareness of the transient nature of life. Tip 2. Practice compassion. Meditation. Compassion meditation, known as metta bhavana in Sanskrit, is a transformative practice within Buddhism that focuses on cultivating feelings of loving kindness and compassion towards oneself and others. This practice begins by finding a comfortable and quiet place to sit, closing the eyes, and focusing on the breath to calm the mind. Practitioners then generate feelings of kindness and compassion, starting with themselves and extending these sentiments to others. During compassion meditation, individuals silently repeat phrases such as, "May I be happy," "May I be safe," and "May I live with ease." These phrases are first directed towards oneself, then to loved ones, neutral individuals, difficult people, and finally, to all beings without distinction. This process involves visualizing each person and cultivating a sincere wish for their happiness and relief from suffering. The primary benefit of compassion meditation is its ability to shift focus away from self-centered thoughts and concerns, promoting a more altruistic viewpoint. By regularly practicing compassion, individuals can reduce negative, self-centered thoughts and feelings, which often lead to isolation and dissatisfaction. This shift enhances mental health and well-being, fostering a greater sense of connection and shared humanity. Research has shown that practicing compassion increases emotional positivity, reduces stress, anxiety, and depression, and promotes resilience. By focusing on positive, altruistic qualities, compassion meditation helps individuals manage negative thoughts and emotions more effectively, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Tip 3. Engage in detachment. Exercises. Detachment exercises in Buddhism are practical techniques designed to help individuals detach from thoughts and emotions, reducing their influence over feelings and actions. One effective exercise involves visualizing thoughts as leaves floating down a stream. This practice helps in observing thoughts without becoming emotionally entangled with them. To practice this exercise, find a quiet space and sit comfortably. Visualize a gentle stream in a serene environment and imagine each thought as a leaf dropping onto the water. Observe the leaves as they float downstream and avoid engaging with them emotionally. If you find yourself being carried away by a thought or emotion, gently bring your attention back to the image of the stream. Practicing detachment offers several profound benefits. It helps reduce the impact of thoughts on emotions and actions, enhances mental clarity, and fosters emotional stability. By observing thoughts as transient events rather than engaging with them, individuals achieve a more peaceful state of mind and a deeper understanding of their mental patterns. Detachment exercises encourage a serene and wise approach to life's challenges, reducing stress and promoting overall well-being. By cultivating detachment, individuals can respond to situations with greater grace and equanimity, leading to a more balanced and mindful approach to life. Tip 4. Meditate with nature. Integrating nature into meditation practices provides a dynamic and grounding focal point that enhances mindfulness. Observing natural elements such as trees, water, or mountains can help anchor the mind and deepen the meditative experience. Nature's inherent beauty and tranquility offer an ideal setting for meditation, helping to stabilize thoughts and enhance present moment awareness. For example, sitting near a tree and observing its texture, color, and movement can anchor the mind and foster a sense of grounding. Similarly, watching the flow of a river or the gentle waves of a lake can calm the mind and sharpen focus. Gazing at a mountain, appreciating its vastness and stability, can evoke a sense of peace and durability. Meditating in natural settings not only diversifies the practice, but also provides additional psychological benefits. Research shows that spending time in nature improves mood, reduces stress, and increases overall well-being. Nature's expansiveness helps put personal concerns into perspective, reminding practitioners of the vastness of the world and the transient nature of worries. In summary, using nature as a focus for meditation enriches the practice by tapping into our innate affinity for the natural world. This connection fosters a deeper appreciation of life, mental clarity, and emotional balance, enhancing one's ability to remain present and engaged in every moment. Tip 5. Embrace silence. Silence is a powerful tool in Zen practice, offering a profound avenue for introspection and inner peace. It extends beyond the absence of sound, providing a space for deep reflection and mental clarity. In the quiet, practitioners can listen to the subtleties of their own minds and hearts, uncovering insights often overshadowed by the constant noise of daily life. Integrating periods of silence into daily routines can be both refreshing and transformative. Practical ways to embrace silence include silent meals, silent walks, dedicated quiet time, silent driving, and creating silent zones at home. Each practice helps foster an environment conducive to reflection and calm. For instance, opting for one meal a day to be eaten in silence allows for focused attention on the act of eating, promoting mindfulness and presence. Silent walks provide a space to disconnect from digital distractions and reconnect with the surroundings. Carving out specific times for silence, particularly in the early morning or late at night, enhances introspection and inner peace. By embracing these silent practices, individuals can appreciate the calmness and clarity that silence brings. Silence not only reduces stress, but also enhances mental health by heightening awareness and fostering a deeper connection with one's inner self. These moments of quiet become a refuge for growth and self-discovery, profoundly impacting overall well-being. Tip 6. Practice journaling. Journaling is a powerful method for self-reflection and understanding thought patterns. By recording thoughts, feelings, and experiences, individuals can make these intangible elements tangible and observe them from a distance. This practice helps in identifying recurring patterns, themes, and triggers, leading to greater self-awareness. To start journaling, find a quiet place and write down your thoughts and emotions regularly. This process helps track changes and patterns over time, enabling better management of emotional responses and thought processes. Recognizing triggers for negative thoughts or stress can empower individuals to handle similar situations more effectively in the future. Journaling also provides a safe outlet for expressing feelings, which can be particularly therapeutic. Writing helps slow down the mind, offering deeper exploration and clarity of thought. This clarity reduces the intensity of negative emotions and enhances decision-making and problem-solving skills. In conclusion, journaling is a valuable tool for gaining insight into one's mental and emotional workings. It enhances self-awareness, reduces the disruptive impact of thoughts, and fosters a more mindful and reflective approach to life. Tip 7. Engage in gratitude practice. Gratitude practice, through journaling or daily reflections, shifts focus from the negative aspects of life to the positive ones. By regularly recording moments of gratitude, individuals can change their perspective and enhance overall well-being. This structured approach helps in highlighting the abundance in life rather than focusing on what is lacking. For instance, maintaining a gratitude journal involves writing down 3 things you are grateful for each day. This simple act of reflection helps reinforce a positive outlook and shifts attention away from stress and negativity. Daily gratitude. Rakshi Gare Chi. Reflections, whether noting small joys or significant support from loved ones, contribute to a sustained increase in happiness and resilience. Research shows that regular gratitude practice rewires neural pathways in the brain, promoting feelings of contentment and reducing anxiety. By enhancing the production of dopamine and serotonin, gratitude practice helps foster a more positive mental state. It also reduces stress by lowering levels of cortisol and improving emotional regulation. In summary, gratitude practice is a profound strategy for enhancing mental health and overall happiness. It shifts the focus from what is lacking to what is abundant, helping to build a more positive and resilient mindset. Regularly practicing gratitude not only alters our perception of the world, but also fundamentally changes our brain's predisposition towards happiness and peace. Conclusion. By embracing the teachings of Zen through koan practice, the tea ceremony, compassion meditation, detachment exercises, nature meditation, silence, journaling, and gratitude, individuals can profoundly enhance their spiritual growth and well-being. Each practice offers unique benefits, contributing to a more mindful, compassionate, and balanced life. Harnessing these practices enables individuals to effect positive change in their lives and communities, fostering joy, kindness, and mutual understanding. As we embark on this journey, let us infuse our days with the wisdom we have acquired, one step at a time, to create a more joyful and meaningful existence. If you find this journey resonant, remember to like and subscribe to Words of Buddha for more insights and inspiration.